Hello, welcome to my channel, Talk Like a Native. I'm Simon, and this is an A1 listening test video. In this video, 5 people will talk about their daily routines. So this video has 5 parts. Those parts are Anna's morning, Tom's workday, Lisa's afternoon, Sam's evening, Emma's weekend. This video has 30 questions, so let's get started.
Get your pen and paper to take notes.
Hello. My name is Anna. I wake up at 6:30 every day. First, I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then, I have breakfast. I usually drink coffee and eat toast. After breakfast, I get dressed and go to work. I start work at 8 o'clock. I take the bus to my office. I like my morning routine because it helps me feel ready for the day.
Hi, I'm Tom. I work in an office from Monday to Friday. My work starts at 9 o'clock. I check my emails and have meetings in the morning. At 12:30, I eat lunch in the cafeteria. I usually have a sandwich and a salad. After lunch, I continue working on my computer. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Then, I go home. I like my job because it's interesting and I work with nice people.
Hello, my name is Lisa. After work, I go to the gym. I exercise for 1 hour. Then, I go home and cook dinner. I usually make pasta or rice with vegetables. After dinner, I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes, I call my friends. I like my afternoons because they are relaxing and fun.
Hi, I'm Sam. In the evening, I eat dinner with my family at 7 o'clock. We usually have fish or chicken with vegetables. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Then, I take a shower and relax. I listen to music or read a book. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I like my evenings because they are quiet and peaceful.
Hello, my name is Emma. On Saturday, I don't work. I wake up at 8 o'clock, I clean my apartment and do the laundry, then I go to the supermarket to buy food. In the afternoon, I meet my friends for coffee. We talk and laugh together. I love weekends because I have time to relax and enjoy life.
Well done. You've completed this A1 listening test video. How did you do? Write your score in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel where you can find many more listening test videos for you to try. Okay, see you later. See you next time.